Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. Had to get this liquid moly petrol engine decarb. So I've got some in there already. I have to soak it. So that one there, and then I've got after I soak it, I'm going to try to clean it as much as I can. Then I'm going to remove the spark plugs out. Make sure the fuses are not connected for the fuel pump, so you got no fuel coming into the actual intake. And then you crank the engine over without the actual intake, but no fuel pump. Relay, you can just pull the relay out, which is that one there, for the actual starter motor. Sorry, not the starter motor. That one there is for the starter motor, but the actual fuses, those two fuses there at the end, 13 and 14 fuses, 215 amps. Remove them out, that's for your fuel pumps. And then you can crank the car, there's no fuel. So I want to show you what I'm doing. It's hard to hold the camera and do the job at the same time. I just want to show you pretty much what I'm doing. Best thing is to fill it up, so fill it up with this like that. So the wall's getting clean at the same time. See how clean the wall is? You know, that one is starting to clean from the top. That's what I'm doing. Alright, so alright. Once I finish that, spark plugs out, fuel pump fuses out, crank the engine over so you don't have a hydraulic lock. So put some rags on this side here and some rags on this side here as well. So the stuff will come out from the actual spark plug ports. We'll shoot out some of this carbon stuff there, and then you clean the rest over, and then start again until it's all nice and clean, and then you go from there. Alright? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.